This is a Oxford Pulsar benchtop 60 MHz NMR machine located in the Organic Instrumentation Lab. NMR analyses are carried out by placing the sample into specially manufactured glass tubes. Before you prepare the samples, it's very important to label the test tube. I will show you how to make solid samples. I'm adding a pea-sized solid of chemical compound in a vial. And using a 2 ml pipette, I will add approximately 1 ml or almost half pipette full of CDCl3 in the vial. We should immediately cap the CDCl3 bottle, or it may absorb moisture from air. CDCl3 is also known as deuterated chloroform. The common reference material, tetramethylsilane or TMS, also has been added to CDCl3 and is defined as 0 ppm. So once my solid is completely dissolved, I can transfer all the liquid using pipette or using same pipette in the NMR tube. Once I transfer, I immediately cap the test tube to make sure it does not absorb any moisture. So similarly, we can make NMR samples from neat liquid also. Please make sure you take a new NMR tube and you label it. We can take few drops of neat liquid, and first we can transfer in a empty vial. Notice I'm using different pipettes and different vial for different liquids and solutions, and I'm making sure that no contamination occurs anywhere. We will repeat the same process. We will take approximately half pipette of CDCl3. We will dispose these pipettes in the broken glass bin. Now our samples are ready. Redo of NMR, your professor would have done the setup of the experimental parameters. Keep NMR tube in an upright position and be sure to hold tube towards top before inserting into NMR machine. Carefully insert your sample tube into machine and then gently let it go. You will have to type your name first so your dated folder can be created. On the left hand side, there are different options. You click on pilot scan and you choose the right file for shimming. Once you do that, you can hit acquire. It gives you a countdown at the bottom. The processing screen will appear automatically. Once everything stabilizes, press the export arrow at the top. Close the window with your spectra without saving it. Remove your sample tube from NMR, place it back in order, and move to the workstation computer. Or we can, as you remember, we prepared 2 samples. We can do the second sample as well using the same protocols. This time you can hit directly acquire button because you already have standardized the shim. Once it's done, you can export without saving it. At the workstation computer attached to the printer, the Mastrec Innova software could be opened at your classes folder. Find your name or the sample number from the list and click on number and then average. Your spectrum will appear. To zoom in the desired region, press the zoom in icon. This looks like a plus magnifying glass. Depress left mouse button, drag across spectrum from one side to the spectrum to the other, and then release. Do it multiple times. To set TMS to 0, press the reference icon. This looks like a red dot on a rising peak. Select reference mouse cursor to middle of the most right hand side peak. Just left click on the mouse and type in new setting to 0. To print your spectra, either choose print icon or go to file and then print. Before leaving class, make sure you have showed your NMR to your professor to make sure you have the right spectra and not reversed. If you are preparing a fresh sample, please make sure you clean your bench and you discard all used pipettes in broken glassware. Thank you.